Hey, what's up there, YouTube? This is Crazy Working Man. Sorry. I want to say, um, for all those who are working today, do not watch my video till later tonight, please and thank you. If you're watching this in the middle of the night, like during your night shift, please don't do it. Yeah, like I always says, if you're not so busy, you can watch this. Today I'm wearing nice clothes, except for not so nice shoes. I'm wearing my dog pooping / mowing shoes today. Cause I had to give my other shoes a break because they're starting to form a little hole in the toe. And also, I appreciate everything you guys do for my channel. One of these days I'll do a dog pooping video, so for you and for you only. I should say dog cleanup poop thing. And right now I'm thirsty and hungry, so. And also, I appreciate everything you guys done for my YouTube channel. But if I had a P.O. box thing, I would make that in the link to the description. But the pros, that would have been cool if I had Pam Hal. To my list of something to do for a YouTube video. Oh, I hate this wind. It's a little bit chilly out today, I gotta admit that. It's the first time it's been chilly all week. Right now I'm out here waiting for my ride and stuff like that. And my yard needs mowed. My front lawn's getting a little long. then again, dusty, holy crap. It's dusty out here now. You can tell I ordered one of my work shirts I have. Was supposed to be made for Mian's Brickhouse Grill, but instead it's no longer a restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm waiting for my ride still. Most of you guys want to see my videos that have strong stomachs or weak stomachs. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those who are a big fan of my dishwashing videos, let me know in the comment section. Then again, let me know anyway, so deuces. I should be checking my new backpack. I'm gonna only make this backpack a laptop backpack for my lunch, and also for my D&D dice, and for every electronics I have except for a tablet or my PlayStation 4. My laptop and D&D dice, and what else? Electronics, food. Oh, and chargers, yeah. Like peace. And the other backpack would be just like a magic backpack that I would have to carry around for magic cards. So that way it gives my shoulder a break. Oh yeah, writing utensils and stuff, yay. And medicine for headaches. I do can't constantly get headaches. So, dang it, I'll see you guys later. Bye. And also be nice to each other, so peace.